Good afternoon, friend. So this is our problem statement. So, let's discuss our problem. So you are the merchant at a very company and are trying to make trades with some foreigner nationalities, but the foreigner are very particular with the change while making payments. Therefore, you are trying to make tackle this problem and trying to create a problem to find in how many ways can you make this the change. Declare a variable with the name dollar such that it is stored the number of ways you can make an amount equal to exactly of n, given that you have unlimited supplies of coin of 1, 3 or 5 dollars. So friends, so this is our intake. So this is our input n is equals to 5 and output is equals to 5. So here he discuss you choose dollar, but I am choosing n for simplicity. So first I am write code. After that we dry run this portion for better understand. So uh, let n is equals to 5. So this is our uh, uh, input, and uh, so I am create another variable of answer array, not answer array, answer variable, and call the function of money, and pass this value here. And in this, uh, I am let money is equals to function of this. I am using arrow function, and here coming value of n parameter, and so right now some spacing problem, so I am delete this process. Yeah, so I am deleting and write here code. So first condition, so this person solve only way is you use recursive way. So first I am trying to give a base condition. So first give base condition. First base condition. So if n equal to 0, so simply return 1. Uh, else if is our second base condition. Second base condition. Condition. Else if n less than 0, so simply return 0. And and after this we write our recursive statement, recursive condition, and else simply let x is equals to, we call money n minus 1, n minus money n minus 3, and plus money n minus 5. So friend, this 1, 3, 5 he is given in our problem statement. Right now I am deleting this statement, but you uh, 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 written, you read the question, so this is mentioned in the question. So yeah, and I am written value of x and simply print console.log answer value. Let money is not defined. Why money is not defined? Money is n, let money n equal to this. This is a function n. Okay, no issue. So I am trying simple function. I am write simple function. What is the issue? So function money of n. Yeah, he give right answer 5. So number of ways is solve this problem is for 5. So shall we try run for better explanation. So this is our here we call our function money, this function. So first we try to create tree. Thereafter we dry all the parts. So money, we give the value of n value is right now 5. Okay. So first he check the value of n. So 5 equal to 0. No, 5 not equal to 0. So he from his second part. So 5 less than 0. No, 5 not less than 0. So he from the else part and he call this function. So function n minus 1, money n minus 1. Matlab, again this function is called and money. I am short list. I am write only m. You understand? 5 minus 1 is 4. So this time yeah again reversely, and here this 5 minus 3 is 2, and here 5 minus 5 is plus sign again. 5 minus 5 is 0. So m right now n value is 0. So again first this part is completed after he come here and after he come here. So simply this part is from, so again he from either here. So 4 equal to 0. No, 4 not equal to 0. 4 less than 0. No, 4 not less than 0. So he from here else part, and again n minus 1. So n minus 1 is m. 4 minus 1 is 3, and here m 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is 1, and here uh, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So again call the function of money, and right now he is minus 1. So this is minus 1, and again so this tree is first, so that's why he again run. So he come here, and he's come here, and again he come here first state the first condition. So 3 equal to 0. Not 3 not equal to 0. 3 less than 0. Not, so that's why he come in the else parts, and simply print the value of so again he call, so m minus 1. N minus 1 is right now 2, and again he come here. So this tree is work. So 3 n minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and 3 minus 5 minus 2. So m minus 2, and again he call the function. So first he come here. uh, So again check the condition based condition. So first condition is so right now n value is 2. So 2 equal to 0. No, 2 not equal to 0. He come in the else part. 2 less than 0. Not 2 not less than 0. So he come in else part. So again he call the function recursively. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So m minus 3. So again, this is a part of I am writing here. So again, uh, equal. So m 1. So right now function money function fall, and again he divided into 3 part. So sorry for, yeah. So continue our lecture. So yeah. So again he from here. So base condition is n equal to 0. No. 1 equal to 0. No. He from either. So 1 less than 0. Not 1. It is not 1 less than 0. So he again call, and again he call the function. So m n 1 0, n minus 1 is 0. So m 0, and the m 1 minus 3 is m minus 2, and m n minus 5 is minus 1 minus 4. So this is again false. So this function is false. So here from here, so 0 equal to 0 0, yeah, 0 equal to 0, condition true. So that's why he return the value of 1. So I am changing the color of pen for better understanding. So he returned the 1 of here, yeah. So he returned 1, and so this function is completed. So I have erased this function. No, right now I am not erased. Uh, and he from here this function. So m minus 2. So n value is minus 2. So he checked first base condition. So minus 2 equal to 0. No. Minus 2 less than 0. Yeah, minus written less than 0. So that's why he returned the 0 value. So plus 0. He returned plus 0, and this part is completed. He from the here, that's why I run this function. So m minus 4. So he from here, and he from here. So for first condition is minus 4 equal to 0. No, minus 4 not equal to 0. So that's why he from here. So minus 4 less than 0. Yeah. So he return the value of 0. So that's why he returned the value of 0. So he returned 0. So it's the fall this so this function fall here. So this function fall here. So that's why he he here the value he returned the value of 1, and this function is minus 1. So we now minus 1 of value is written 0. So that's why he returned 0, and or this is also written 0 because the value is minus 3, and this is 0. We now 0 return we now 0 return 1. So uh, that's why he returned 1. He returned 1. Also he returned the 1, and this return 0. So this return 0, and again he is from here. So we totally uh, return the value of 2 here. So we return total here 2. We return the value, answer is 2. uh, shall we rest? So here he return, this is a money function. Okay, so return 2 value. So this part is done. So this part is our done. Yeah, this part is our done, and he returned the value of 2. So I am erase this part and continue next part. So this part is over completed. So this part is completed. So with talking about this part, okay. So so oh shit. Okay, no issue. So now talking about this part. So I am changing the color of. So I am right this pen. So n value is 2. So he checked first condition. So 2 equal to 0. No 2 not equal to 0. 2 less than 0. No 2 not less than 0. So he from a recursive part and simply uh, so m is equals to 2 minus 1 is right now n value is 1 plus and so again we divide. So 2 minus 3. So here so right now our value is minus 1 and this 2 minus 5. So money power value is minus 5. So 2 minus 5 means minus 3. So again this function is run. So 1 equal to 0. No 1 equal to not 0. Click from here 1 second part else part. So 1 less than 0. Not 1 not less than 0 because n value is 1. So 1 less than is 0. Not 1 less than not 0. So he from else part he again recursive call. So here so money so again he call m and n minus 1 right now n value is 1 1 minus 1 0 and m n minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So money function n value is minus 2 and here m minus 5. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Okay. So again he call here. So right now n value is 0. So 0 so he from here. So g n 0 equal to 0. Yeah, 0 equal to 0. So he return 1. So simply return 1. So here he return 1 is 1. He return 0 and also he return 0 because n value is minus 4. So this is our condition n less than 0. So return 0. So that's why he return 0. Okay. So this function also he return value is minus 1. So that's why he return 0. And also this is a minus 3. So minus 3 less than 0 condition is return 0. So he also return the 0 here. So that's why uh, this part from 1 and this part comes 0. This part return 0 and this part also return 0. Okay. So he come here and he divided into thin part. Uh, so we now the he 0 return 1, so that's why he return 1 and in the last part we forget one step. So he also return one extra 1. So this is a 3, this is 1 m0, uh, this is a m0 and so he return 1. So t plus 1 is 3, this return 4 and this return 5. So he return 5 here and 5 go in the answer, 5 come in the answer and console.log answer value is 5. So that's why our answer is 5. So thank you friend for your support.